Exercise 3.3, question number 6, subdivision 2. 8x cube minus 2x square minus 7x plus 3 which is equal to 0. In solution. So previously we have added all, we have find the sum of all the coefficients, right? So here also first we will find the sum of all the coefficients. 8 minus 2 which is 6 and 6 minus 7 which is minus 13. Minus 13 plus 3 is minus 10. So sum of the coefficient is not equal to 0. Therefore 1 is not a root. So then we have to go for the next method. So this is the next method. Sum of the coefficients of odd powers. So what are the odd powers? X cube and x. So their coefficients are nothing but 8 and minus 7. So 8 minus 7 is equal to 1. Similarly, I have to find the sum of coefficients of even powers. What is even power? X square and this constant term. You know that constant term has x to the power 0. So 0 and 2. So coefficient of x square is minus 2 and the constant term is 3. So minus 2 plus 3 is equal to 1. Now you can see here sum of the coefficient of odd power and sum of the coefficient of even powers are same, 1 and 1. So if since these two values are same, we can take minus 1 as a root. We have taken there sum of the coefficients is equal to 0. We have taken 1 as a root. Here sum of the coefficients of odd power is equal to sum of the coefficients of even power. Therefore minus 1 is a root. That's the only difference here. Now since minus 1 is a root, x plus 1 is a factor. Right? Now this is the question which is equivalent to x plus 1. And this part I have explained in the subdivision 1, and again also I'll explain. Now check here check here the degree is x to the power 3. Since I have x here, I have to put a term x square, then only x into x square is x cube, and the coefficient of x cube is 8, so I have to multiply here the x square term with 8. So 8x square into x is 8x cube, and second term is still unknown, so we have to make it as p into x plus next term. Since I have 1 here, I have to put 3 only, so then only 1 into 3 will get 3, right? So I have multiplied. So x into 8x square is 8x cube, x into px is px square, x into 3 is 3x, and 1 into 8x is 8x square, and 1 into px is px, and 1 into 3 is 3. Now there are two x square term, so I have taken the x outside, so p plus 8 into x square, and 2x term, so here also I have taken x outside, so p plus 3. So now we have to equate the x square term, or we can equate the x term also. So see here, x square term contains p and x term also contains p. So either I can take x square term or x term. So here I have taken x square term. So x square term is nothing but p plus 8. That means coefficient of x square is p plus 8. And here the coefficient of x is 2. And show that coefficient of x square is minus 2. So p plus 8 is equal to minus 2. P is equal to minus 10. So the other factor, we have to frame the other factor by substituting p value as minus 10. So 8x square minus 10x plus 3 is the other factor. Now make this into an equation. Since this is a quadratic equation, I have to solve using the tree method. So 8 into 3 is 24. 24 can be written as minus 6 minus 4. Divide by 8x. Divide by 8x. So cancelling, it becomes minus 3 by 4, and this term becomes minus 1 by 2x. So the factors are 4x minus 3 and 2x minus 1, which is equal to 0. So 4x minus 3, which is equal to 0. 4x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 4, and here 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, 2x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by 2. So the roots are, this root is already found. We know that this root is nothing but minus 1 is a root. We have found using the sum of coefficient of even powers is equal to sum of the coefficients of odd power. So minus 1 is a root, 3 by 4 is a root, 1 by 2 is a root, and this is the required roots for this cubic equation. Thank you.